Yo, what's cracking YouTube? It's your boy Tony, and I'm back in the dungeon with a new review for you. And it's in 4K. Roll the intro, please.
Take your home up and shove it. Take your home up and shove it. Take your home up and take your home.
Yo, what's cracking YouTube? It's your boy Tony, and I'm back in the dungeon. I got something for you. You know what I'm saying? You know how I does it. What we got today? Bam. That's the box. What we got? Air Jordan 3 Retro Varsity Royal. Release date was October 10th. See the box. You see the elephant print. What could these be? This is my size and they ain't for sale. But they got suede, new bug rubber, tumble leather, you know. It's a Jordan 3. It's a classic. They came out in the States October 10th, but they was out in Korea like, I want to say 2 months ago. They just sat on the shelves. I was like, man, these ain't really gonna drop. But then I seen that they was actually coming out on the sneaker app, which I struck out. Everybody strikes out on the sneaker app. Went to the store, got my pair. Way over retail. Way over retail. But I couldn't sleep on them, so I had to get me a pair. This is not a sleeper pair. This is definitely staying in the collection. These ain't going nowhere. Let me take these out. Let you get a better view of them. Everybody just calling them the blue 3s. I already renamed mine. They're the Nipsey 3s. Go to back. Get your Air Jordan. I wish they would have dropped the Nike Air on it the same way they put the Nike Air on the red ones, but they ain't do that for me. It is what it is. Your elephant print, you know what I'm saying? I am still in Korea, so you already know. Orange tag, orange Nike tag. You got your little Korean writing in there. I'm gonna pop that anyway, because this is my pair. Pop that off. Pop the top. Get that out here. Other shoe. I guess they try to make up for not having a Nike Air on here. They was like, oh, let's throw some laces in it. See if they want some extra laces. You got some blue laces, white laces. I'm gonna keep mine with the black. Pop that off too. Might put these on today. I mean, overall, this is a solid shoe. They really didn't cheap out with the material. Let me take that out too. They ain't cheap out with the material, so it's like almost suede nubuck, tumble leather, fat tongue, of course, the fattest of fat tongues. The rubber, none in the heel tab. Usually they be putting little stuff in the heel tab, but you saw the red pair that came out earlier this year. They had the Nike Air on it. Red's my favorite color, but I couldn't really get jiggy with it. It was just too much red. But these, something about these, they just sit right. I like them. Definitely not a sleeper pair. If you slept on these, there's something wrong with you. I don't know. I might wear mine a couple times. Put them on ice. Put them on ice. So, y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments. I got some stock footage for y'all, a couple pictures, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to work on my presentation, make it look all good for y'all. And like always, like, share, subscribe. Send it to your mama. Just let her watch like the first 2 minutes, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get them views up. But if y'all got any reviews, anything y'all want me to do, holla at your boy. let T know, she'll let me know. We can get it cracking. Peace.
I don't wanna give you the wrong impression.